In the charting crypto, today we're to go over Pangolin PNG, which is up 1.4% at 51 cents. We have a small market cap of only 112 million with 218 million coins in circulation out of 538. So roughly half the coins are in circulation. All-time high was 3 years ago at 1885. All-time low was 7 months ago. If you would have bought 7 months ago, man, you'd be up 42x on your investment. Insane. Currently available on the following exchanges. Obviously, it's available on Pangolin. Never heard of Lydia Finance, but there's 4 different pages down here that's available on MEXC for your centralized exchanges, so on and so forth. So let's get into it, guys. So PNG here. So we talked about this several times for PNG. I was saying we're in something very similar to this right here before we start going parabolic, and it's looking like we're gearing up for it, guys. We're gearing up for that next big move for PNG. Now, is it going to be this next break to the upside? I don't know. There could be that possibility of us flushing back down to that low 40-cent support area here, and I'm going to go over why I think that could be the case. So the only reason I think that this 786 isn't going to be breaking here in the short term is the MACD is about ready to flip bearish, guys. The MACD is showing weakness. The RSI is starting to fall a little bit. Same with the WTX. So same with the WTX. So what we're going to be focused on here for PNG for the meantime is obviously we're breaking over that 52 cents main resistance area, which we're pretty close at breaking it right now. It's just the indicators are kind of toppy. So I am going to be expecting some sort of pullback here in the short term, probably back down to around these levels, which we experienced as support back in April, and then we experienced again in May. So I think one more push down for PNG down to around 45, and then that might be the bottom that we need to push us higher for PNG. It's just indicators are a little exhausted right now. And then if we draw the short term on PNG from the high to the low, similar situation. You know, you have there on that 45 cents around that 618. So keep an eye on 45 cents. I think we have a good chance at tagging that one more time before we go higher. But on top of that, take note that since May 1st, we have been putting in higher highs and higher lows. So you have your high, you have your low, you have your high, you have your low, and then we could have our high here and start blasting out for PNG. But I think it's just a matter of time till PNG experience another God candle here, which we experienced back here. You know, this was 4 days of God candle. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of God candle until consolidation. I mean, come on, guys. During this period right here since February, you know, altcoins have been absolutely bleeding, absolutely shitting the bed. And for PNG just to go sideways, that's bullish in my personal opinion. A lot of coins that you look at them, they're just gonna be going like this, right? They're just falling. And there's a few of them that have held up, and PNG is one of them, just going sideways and holding up. So I think it's just a matter of time until, you know, once the tides turn, we'll probably see some extremely bullish movement to the upside for PNG, similar to what we experienced back here in November of 23 and February of 24. Now, if we draw the lifelong fib from the top to the bottom right here, actually, I think we need to ignore this wick, right? No, the wick is in play. So if we draw the lifelong fib, we actually did break above our 786 area at 45 cents, which is another reason why I think we might head back down there. It's a very powerful support area. Indicators are kind of exhausted. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just bopped around that area for a little bit until we saw that breakout. And the next large push for PNG should bring it up to that 1236 area at about $4. So I do think after the consolidation is complete, we will see, you know, maybe a week is just straight up to around $4. So from where we're currently at here, you know, $4 is that's a 7x, guys, a 7x move here for PNG, and it could do that in a single week. And I do think it is possible for PNG to do that. I think right now PNG, it's a good DCA coin, man. A lot of coins have bled out. DCA has just been moving sideways. It's just a matter of time till we break out and see some large bullish movement to the upside. So that's what I'm kind of thinking for PNG. So with that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.